How to delete Crunchyroll account. So hello everybody, hope you all doing fine. I am back with yet another video on how to use basics and today in this video I'm gonna guide you through how to delete Crunchyroll account. So if you want to learn how, then keep watching the video until the very end. Now in order to delete your Crunchyroll application, first of all go ahead and tap on it, and then after you enter the home screen of your Crunchyroll app, first of all go ahead and tap on account, which is at the bottom right corner. Now scroll all the way down until you see delete my account under privacy. So go ahead and tap on delete my account, and then it says a lot of things regarding deleting accounts. So after you read all of this, go ahead and tap on continue. And then it says which of our services would you like to apply this request to. So it's already selected. Now you can go ahead and tap on your email. After you tap on your email under email box, go ahead and tap on submit. It says one more step, your identity needs to be confirmed. Please check your email for confirmation. Click confirm. After you go ahead and check on your email and then tap on confirm, you are all set to deactivate your account. So that's how quick and easy it was. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or a feedback for us, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting on the icon. Well, I hope to see you in my next video. Goodbye until then.